This is Professor VVS Harnath Prasad, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and I am from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am introducing the kinematics, and the kinematics is one of the important topics in the theory of machines. And the kinematics of machines, basically the mechanics is classified into statics and dynamics. And the dynamics is classified into categories, that is the kinematics and kinetics. And we can define the statics as a system which is stationary, that in which time is no factor. And dynamics deals with the system that changes with the time. Kinematics is the study of the motion, position, velocity, acceleration. A major goal of understanding kinematics is to develop the ability to design a system that will satisfy the specified motion requirements. Kinetic is the study of the effect of forces on moving bodies. Good kinematics design should produce the good kinetics. The subject dealing with the study of kinematics and kinetics is known as theory of machines, and also deals with the synthesis and analysis of the machines. Analysis and synthesis of machines, where the analysis goes with the displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Type synthesis is classified as type synthesis, number synthesis, and dimensional synthesis. And type synthesis refers to the kind of mechanism selected. It might be a linkage, a geared system, belt and pulleys. It further involves design factors such as manufacturing process, materials, safety, space, and economics. The number synthesis deals with the number of links, number of joints or pairs that are required to obtain certain mobility. The dimensional synthesis deals with determining the dimensions of the individual links. The kinematic links is defined. A link or element. A link is defined as member or a combination of members of a mechanism connecting other members and having relative motion between them. The link having relative motion, the link may consist of one or more resistant bodies. A link may be called as kinematic link or simply an element. A reciprocating engine, steam engine, classification of the link is binary, ternary, and quaternary. The examples of a kinematic link is a connecting rod. And further, the classification of the kinematic links can go as the binary link, which is connected to the two parts as shown in the figure A. A ternary link which is connected to other two links at 3 points as shown in the B. A quaternary link which is connected to other links at 4 points. A mini drafter example as shown in the C and as well as D, where the A and D as shown in the diagram D, and where is the output is to B and C, and the other output goes to 3 E and H. An example for the quaternary link. And link or element can be classified as rigid link, which is shown as a connecting rod, a flexible link, which is shown as a belt, and fluid links, which will be considered as a linkage of fluid in an hydraulic cylinder. A link or element, any body normally rigid which has motion relative to other, binary, ternary, and quaternary links. And examples of the rigid links are parallelogram linkage and a slider crank mechanism. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.